Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just before we get into the video, I just wanted to bring up something real quick. On Facebook and on a YouTube post, I asked you guys to leave me any questions or comments regarding the 2-valve and the torque tech kit, as I'm going to be doing some sort of Q&A here soon, and would love to answer any kind of questions or anything like that that you guys may have. So with that being said, let's get into why we're filming today. Come on, Brad. Here, we have a crusty, dusty, and just words I can't think of right now. Look at that. Are you hungry? This was #1 engine for Bradley's Mustang, which is sitting over there. Unfortunately, this motor was junk. It was like hydro-locked and etc. So we pretty much ripped the heads and like intake and stuff off of it. It's trash. This is engine #2. Also junk. So as you guys can see right there, broke a bolt in the timing cover, or in the block, I guess. And with that being said, the idea of using this engine right here went out the door. These engines are so easy to find. This one was a high mileage Explorer engine anyways. This engine is also junk. I was always taught that third time's a charm. So here under the cart, look at that bad boy right there. Okay, so here we have a engine out of a Fox body Mustang. It came out of a car that was in a police chase or something. Impounded, auctioned. Guy tore the motor out of it, I guess sold the car, whatever. Engine was sitting for a while. It's on our driveway now. So we're gonna do some things to this on our second channel, and also my dad's business, Awesome Finish. You know, over there we polish, powder coat, etc. If you guys need any kind of smaller powder coating work done or any kind of polishing work done, let us know. But more than that, we like to film the process of polishing stuff and making things nice and shiny and mirror-like. So we are going to be like, we're going to be polishing the intake, I think the valve covers, the alternator. Here, let's... Yeah, sure. All right, so we got 302 sitting here. Obviously this one's locked, like we said in the last video. By the way, just want to put this out there. That last video was recorded like, I want to say like, what, 4 or 5 months ago when we first got the car. Updating you on the now and the fact that we're actually getting started with this project. So yeah, I'm gonna be polishing this crusty, dusty alternator, brackets, powder coat, polish, everything. So if you want to see any of that, check out Awesome Finish. We also already have like polishing videos on like polishing blowers and exhaust manifolds, and we did a powder coating video, and you can go see all that. Link in the description. Please go run that up. It's so satisfying. Should we reveal the color now, or should we tell them the color later? We'll tell them later the color is. We'll keep suspense up, okay? I want you guys to guess what the color is. We're going to be painting the engine bay and then eventually the car, before we put the engine and everything. I'm going to give you a hint. It's Cobra color, rare Cobra color, and I don't know if there's much I could say. Only came out in 04, I believe. I'm not sure. Alright, so if you guys remember a while back, I had these ripped up seats in my car that I got from Chris Figueroa, Parts Reaper. He sold them to me for like 50 bucks, and I put them in there because I needed seats for the car. Obviously, I didn't need them because I had the Cobra seats, so we threw them in here for the time being, just so we had a place to sit. Dash and everything's still crusty. This is all going to get swapped out eventually. For now, we're just trying to get the car running, and then all of it will be short order afterwards. The carpet, as you can see, is black. It's brand new still. I don't know if you can see under the carpets, but it is painted black under there. We did have a little bit of a rust issue on this floor pan over here. Bradley was out here, freaking wire wheeling it up, made it look all nice and shiny in there, and went ahead and hit it with some rust type of spray paint, rust repellent type of spray paint from AutoZone, and it should be good enough. The rust wasn't like structural yet, but it was definitely getting pretty bad. We still have the rust in the trunk to deal with, as you guys saw in the prior video, but we'll deal with that, and that will be a video we will talk about. So yeah, I know Bradley's definitely excited. Look at that smile right there. Look at that smile. Hey buddy, ready to get gap, boy? I can't say that because the last time I'm here, I can't ask you if you're ready to get the gap, because the last time someone asked me if I was ready to get the gap, we won't talk about it.
This kid's gonna get gapped by a coyote cobra later.
I mean, we'll see about that. Anyways, guys, Q&A coming up on the 2-valve. Drop any questions. I ain't enough to make a video, so please, please, please go ask. Even if it's stupid, I want to answer all your questions. This bad boy right here, it's coming together slowly but surely. It really has been kind of put aside, sadly, since, you know, as you can see, the Cobra over there is also not on jack stands either, which is gonna not be for long now. More to talk about that in the future. But yeah, those cars, and then we have like Bradley's, Bradley Locatech saline here we're working on. You can see that in his videos. But yeah, now we're kind of freeing up time to work on this though, and now we're getting closer to Bradley being 16 and being able to hit the open roads by himself and enjoy the same thing I enjoyed just a few years ago. So yeah, getting the car running, and it's gonna look sweet. I know he's definitely excited. I'm excited for him. It's gonna be nice. Going to rip the streets up with 302, man. All right, I'll see you later.